We're flying here at the wood factory, and we set the GPS, and we thought we'd do something daring and fly through the tunnel, which we did, but unfortunately the drone lost GPS contact because of the metal in the tunnel. So a good lesson learned, and it decided to go home on its own, which means it will go vertically up to go across to where we started, where we set the GPS. So and unfortunately it went right into the metal structure of the tunnel and decided to tear itself apart. So we're in the process of reconstructing it. So there's not much left of the protect. At least we had the propeller guards on. So we're going to change all the propellers. The camera looks okay. We'll and interestingly, all that footage was filmed where it just went up into the metal framework and just exploded itself.